will be blessing you and also the family, and those people will be coming here. The candle that you are holding right now is symbolizes Christ, that as baptized children, bitawan may binyag, so tingda tayo Kristo, yung kayang aslab, sana luwya mo naman kalupa ng igabang blessing niya.
Ma, ay yun yung pangarap mo, may tupad na, may built na yung kaya kang dream house. Sana i-enjoy me, at saka yung bayo mong brand new car, i-enjoy me. Enjoy ka mo, ma. Happy life tamo. Love you.
Ma, it's finally done. For 8 months construction, yung dream house mo, gawa-gawa tan eh. Yan nakamakasakit mamalik king ekalupa dati, mamalik ka pa kimbabaw, yan yun nakilala ng kaya kang kwarto. Gan ma, congratulations, sana mag-enjoy ka. Basta enjoy mo yung life.
God our Father, we praise and thank you for giving us this opportunity, for the blessing of a beautiful structure of a house with children and family living together. As you have said to your children, bless this house and all those who will be living, protect them from all dangers, bless and keep them. Send forth your Spirit to guide and protect them always. As you have said to your disciples, I am with you all the ways till the end of time.
Congrats, amba ko. Happy na yung bure mo yan. Sana enjoyan mo. Hanggang masikan ka pa. And sana mas baba pa biyero.
Congratulations, yari na ping dream house you, and sana I-enjoy ya po. I love you.
Thank you very much sa rin tao behind this construction. Muna, pasalamatan ni Babo for giving us a beautiful house para kay kaming mother.
So throw your soul into the wind, spin that soundtrack again and again.
Masaya ako. Kaya ka lalo na ikwaro talaga yung buri mo. Karay kapatid ko nga, nasilaw. Para maburo manini, para kang ma. Dakal-dakal salamat.